Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Cheryl with Cheryl Knows. I was looking for a yard sale this morning. I was actually mapping my way to it, and I passed by this sale. So I'm going to take a quick stop and a quick perusal to see if there are any treasures. I will let you know, because I sure am looking for treasures. Though I hear a dog barking in the background, but it's okay. I still could find treasures. I will let you know what I run across. Hello. I'm still looking. That's nice. All right. I'll let you know if I see something. So I had found some really nice shoes that would have been like a $25 bill. And she only wanted $2 for them. I got distracted by something else and stepped away, and somebody took them. Anywho, I did find a few treasures. Now I'm about to take a second perusal, and then I'll be done with this sale. But I will show you what I got. It's a pedal thing. I wonder what she wants for that. I didn't even see that the first time. But I'll find out. Let's see. Just want to show you a couple of things that I got at that yard sale I stopped at. I never went to the one I was looking for. But this is a vintage Dooney and Burke, I guess you'd say shoulder bag, handbag, pocketbook, purse. It's in decent condition. My daughter's talking while I'm filming. Can you believe that? But anyway, it's good condition. And online it's going anywhere from 50 to 70 bucks. I paid $2 for it. Next up is this Dooney and Burke. I really like this one. This recently sold for $49 on eBay. I haven't looked on Poshmark yet, but it's in good condition. I also paid $2 for this at that sale. I also found this Dooney and Burke wallet and this Dooney and Burke change purse. Got a little wear on it, but this thing on Poshmark is listed for $165. That's interesting. I'll have to do some more comps. This wallet is actually listed for about $35. So that's quite interesting. I paid $2 a piece. I got this Pentax camera and got the case that it came in, the booklet. It actually came in this camera bag, but this is not a Pentax camera bag. But anyway, I paid $3 for it. She didn't know if it worked, and neither do I. I'll do some research on it and try to figure it out. It's vintage. So I may just sell it as is. So far, the closest comp I found for one that looks like this is $70. But it said it was in working condition, so I'll have to see. I got this Canon Sure Shot 85 zoom camera. It's got the booklet. I paid $3 for this. And it actually came in this Eddie Bauer camera bag. So the Sure Shot looks like it's going maybe 20, 25 bucks. Camera bag, $10 bill. $3. And this camera is very interesting. It's a Minolta autofocus tele. Now, somebody has one listed on eBay for like 36 bucks. Yet on Etsy, it's listed for 100 and something. Now this is a, what is it, Albinar camera bag. I guess it's just what they had it in. But I'll have to do some more research on this Minolta to see what it's actually worth. It's vintage, so well, none of these cameras are digital cameras. They're all vintage. They all take film. So we'll see. Now this was new in the box. I don't know if you can see it. It's an Angel snow globe. I paid $1. Try to get a close-up without a glare. This is a nativity snow globe. I paid $1. Haven't looked them up yet. This, I looked this up. This is a Christmas tree topper. I paid $1 and she's selling for almost 30 bucks. It's beautiful. I paid $1.50 for this Cherish plate. I think it's Cherish. It's something. It was selling for like $18 online. This squirrel, I haven't looked him up. But he's a Lynx. Oops. So I paid $1.50 for him. I actually got these two for $3, so that's still $1.50 a piece. I've never seen this squirrel before. I like Lynx, so we'll see what that goes for. This is an 11-piece nativity set with the wood base. I'm not going to take all the pieces out, but isn't that beautiful? I paid $1 for the set. Haven't looked it up yet. Last but not least, I got these two. Well, it's bookends. Is that $35 for one? Or maybe for the set, I'm not sure. But I thought they were so cool. Whenever I see bookends, I get them. These are vintage. Oh, I see a little ding on him, but I bet you that won't stop a rabbit lover. A rabbit lover. Yeah. Anywho, nice set. I like them. I'll have to look them up. So anyway, that was my yard sale finds today. I never did get to that other sale that I said I was going to. But it's all good. I did all right. Anyway, let me know what you think what your favorite item was that I picked up. Let me know what you think. Anyway, if you enjoy my videos, please feel free to subscribe. Trying to get those numbers up. Leave a comment down below. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I'm releasing videos. Anyway, Cheryl knows I am saying, as always, have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.